Mistakes people make during weight loss. Losing weight is the new lucrative industry. Golden celebrities and deceptive campaigns have made people rush to lose weight in different ways. The lack of adequate information has blindsided people concerning their new diet. Weight loss is a lengthy process, and if it's done the wrong way, you'll be stuck in this circle. In this video, we have compiled 9 common mistakes that people make during weight loss. Let's begin. Number 9. Low-fat food equals less calories. Fats are usually viewed as the most undesirable substance in a meal. Count those few inches of fat on your stomach. Definitely undesirable. However, not all fats are bad. Our body requires different fats for proper functioning. Most people tend to overlook how crucial fats are. They mix saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats, ultimately avoiding all of them. This may make you lose weight, but it can harm your bones and cholesterol levels. Number 8. Inadequate intake of protein. Another common diet misconception is related with proteins. As the important building blocks of the body, people often neglect proteins. They think that protein will build more mass on their body, thus including their weight. Ironically, protein builds muscle mass and provides energy for exercising. Another benefit of proteins is that it increases the metabolism of the body. Our metabolism is constantly working 24/7, even when we're sleeping. Less protein intake will decrease your body's metabolism. Number 7. Calories in drinks. One aspect of weight loss is mindful eating and drinking. We often cut out all the fats, proteins, carbs, and sugars from our food, but we tend to forget the sugary drinks. Did you ever wonder how much that heavenly, thick and smooth hot chocolate has affected your weight loss? Or the one can of Coke you drink at a party since you were too thirsty? Think about it. You definitely need to cut the sugars and high calories from drinks as well. A daily glass of apple juice is as futile to your weight loss as a slice of warm, gooey apple pie. Number 6. No meal equals weight loss. Skipping meals is not the right option. People are misled that skipping meals could lead to faster weight loss. This is a wrong notion. Constantly stuffing your face with 4 meals, even if you're not hungry, or skipping meals to fasten weight loss are bad extremes. The balanced way to increase weight loss is to eat whenever you're hungry. If you skip a meal, it leads to you eating more at the next meal. People who often miss their breakfast eat more at lunch. Thus, they gain more calories with a single meal than the two combined. Number 5. Excessive to no exercise. There are 2 types of people in this world: gym lovers and couch potatoes. If you're a couch potato who's trying to lose weight, start exercising. You can start with light cardio exercises before challenging your bodies with hard training. It'll boost your mechanism, help in weight loss, and of course, it'll give you stunning abs. Now the gym lovers. If you've been exercising for quite some time and see no progress in your body, then you might need to cut back on some exercises. As much as cardio exercises are useful, strength training through weightlifting is better for weight loss. Number 4. Neglecting metabolism. Everyone envies their petite friend who could eat a whole elephant alone and wouldn't gain weight. While there might also be a friend who gets obese even by drinking water. How's that possible? Consider your body as a train engine. When the engine runs fast, it needs more fuel to recharge. Then again, it utilizes all the fuel, and this process goes on. Metabolism is the same engine in our body. People who have a fast metabolism will utilize all their calories, and people with a slow metabolism cannot release all the calories they intake. Number 3. Portion control. Portion control is a technique of mindful eating which helps in weight loss. Various people avoid it or simply don't understand the concept. If people come to know that green tea helps in weight loss, they start drinking 3 cups of green tea a day. But this excess is potentially dangerous. When you're achieving that perfect waist, portion control can be a great guide to help keep you on track. It'll include all the foods, but in an adequate amount for your body to lose weight. Number 2. Lack of proper sleep. Sleep is our unconscious state, but it affects our consciousness on so many levels. A proper sleep is essential for weight loss as well. It sounds bizarre, but there's a reason. We have 2 hormones associated with our diet: leptin, a fullness hormone, and ghrelin, a hunger hormone. When a person is sleep deprived, the ghrelin hormone starts overproducing. This makes us hungry, and we check the refrigerator 3 to 4 times to eat something even though we might not need it. And finally, number 1, there's no cheat system. Have patience. Weight loss is a laborious journey. You can't expect to lose all your weight within a week. Neither pills nor exercise can fasten your weight loss process. Yes, your metabolism can become fast, but it'll take time. You can't promise yourself to lose 80 pounds in a month. People often build such big expectations. When it doesn't fulfill, it crushes and decreases their motivation. Green teas and keto diets may reduce your weight fast, but once you leave them, the weight will grow back with twice as much speed. And that's a wrap for the common mistakes that people make during weight loss. Have you guys made some of the similar mistakes? Let us know down in the comment section. Like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And stay healthy and harmonious. See you in the next one.